extensive challenge question of lesson 4, and this is the first question. Sam has 4 cubes all the same size, 1 blue, 1 red, 1 white, and 1 yellow. She wants to glue the 4 cubes together to make the solid shape shown here. How many differently colored shapes can Sam make? You see here in such kind of question, you have to be really careful about what you have in the bracket. It says 2 shapes are considered to be the same if one can be picked up and turned around so that it looks identical to the other one. So guys, for this one, because you only got 4 cubes, right? And they have different colors: blue, red, white, and yellow. So basically, we have to choose which color goes to this place, goes to the center, right? Because no matter how you rotate that, the center one won't change. And that gives you different ways to choose colors. And we know that the center one, it could be blue, it could be red, it could be white, and it could be yellow. So step 1, choose the center. Okay, choose the center cube. Then you have 4 different ways to do that. 4 ways to do that. Step 2, since we choose one of the color as the center, then how many different ways that we have to arrange that? You see here, I just gave you 3, guys. Can you tell me? You can think about it. Is that 3 all the same? So as for these 3, we just choose the white as the center. And you see, the first one we got in the, let's say in this direction, we call that red, blue, yellow. Okay, it's red, blue, yellow. But guys, if you do the clockwise rotation of the first one, you see, you will see that the red will go to the place of this part, and blue will go to this place, and the yellow will go to the top. And it's exactly the same as the second one. So that means these 2 will be exactly the same. Because when you do the rotation, they're gonna looks like the same. And then for the last one, you see, you're gonna do the same thing. You can rotate that blue to the top, and then the yellow will go to right, and the right will go to the left. So these 2 will also be the same. But is that possible? We got some new arrangement so that no matter how you rotate that, it cannot look like the same. And the answer is yes. So basically, we can just keep the blue one at the top. You don't change that blue one, and you swap the place of the red and yellow. So it's like, yes, it's like you got a blue here and the white in the middle, and then you got yellow on the left, and then the right on the right. Okay, like this. So I'm not going to write that white in the center because it makes no difference. But guys, if you compare these 2, because we know that for these 3, they are all the same, because if you do the rotation of that, you can get the same, you can get the other, right? But if you have blue, yellow, red, you see, no matter how you rotate that, it cannot be the same, right? It cannot be the same as the previous one. So basically, when you got a white in the center, we're gonna have 2 ways to arrange that 3D shape, okay? And then let me write down that for you. So if white in the center is in the center, we have 2 ways to arrange that. And that means if you change the white, let's say if we have red in the center, there are going to be 2 ways as well, right? So the answer will be, we need to determine which one goes to the center. You have 4 ways. And when you determine that, you're going to have 2 ways to arrange that, then times by 2. That means the answer will be 8. We got 8 different ways to get these different shapes. That's it. That's how we solve this question.